It's an absolutely beautiful day again today. Me and the chicken legs have just raided Greg's and we're just chilling down in the old town with the birds. Jeez, we've got company, Lara. Hey, hello. You know what, you've got to love the old town. Look at all these birds. The boss. I'm sitting there staring at me. Hello. Oh, look how blue its eyes are. Stunning. Beautiful. Wow. They're hissing because Amadeus is here, but Amadeus likes birds. Calm down. Wow. The eyes are absolutely stunning. Oh wow, look at that one as well. That has pure blue eyes. They're so moving. Boss. They literally follow you everywhere, these birds. And do you want to come home with us?